Hello everyone and a very warm welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to convert PowerPoint documents to PDF. So first and foremost, let's start with creating our flow. So I am at make.powerapps.com and I'm going to create an automated flow. So I'm going to go ahead and click on skip and I'm going to use the trigger SharePoint and I'll use when a file is created or modified by properties only. Here I will specify a site address. I'll specify a library. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get the file content. To do that, I'm again going to use the SharePoint action and I'm going to say get file content. I'll give it a site address and I'll pass in the identifier. The identifier is the output of the trigger. Now, this is where the real magic happens. I'm going to use the Muhimbi PDF actions to go and convert files to PDF. So the action is convert PowerPoint document. Here I'll pass in the source file name. So I'll type in file name with extension, which is the output of the trigger. File content, which is the output of the action get file content, the action above. And I'll leave the default options. We'll look at the options in a little bit. And then finally, I will create the file back into SharePoint. And here I'll again specify the site address. I'll specify the output folder or where I want to write the files to. And then I'll give it a file name, base file name .pdf, and then a file content that is processed file content. I'll give my flow a meaningful name and I'll save it. Before I upload the document, let's quickly look at a PowerPoint presentation. So I have got a PowerPoint presentation with 4 slides. One slide out here is hidden, that is slide number 3. I just want to go ahead and convert the active slides. So let's see how does our converter work. So let me click on test and I'll select manual and I'll click on test and I'll quickly upload a file in my SharePoint document library. So the file has been uploaded. This should actually trigger my flow. And here you see that the convert PowerPoint document flow has already completed. And here I see a PDF. So let me quickly open the PDF and here is how it looks like. So if you remember, our PowerPoint presentation had got a hidden slide and that is not converted. So if something is hidden, it does not get converted. But here I have another use case. I want to go ahead and even convert the hidden slides. How do I do that? So let's quickly understand the options that the Muhimbi convert PowerPoint action actually provides. So firstly, you can specify a range such as do I want to show visible documents? That is default. Do I want to show all documents or do I want to show active documents? If I want to show all the slides, that is the slides including the hidden slides, I can select all documents. Then I can say the print layouts. Do I want to have one slide as a handout? Do I want to have two slides as a handout, etc.? Let's say that I want two slides as a handout. Similarly, I have got frame slides. This option, I'll leave it at yes. Again, I can specify a start page and an end page. For example, I just want to convert from page number 2 to page number 4. I can specify that. I can say the quality can be optimized for print or optimized for screen option, or if some settings is not possible out of the box, I can always specify and override. So we have made changes to our conversion. That is, we are going to print all slides as well as I'm going to go ahead and have two slides handouts. So let me quickly rename this particular file in the create file action and I'll click on save. And to test this behavior, I can simply go into automatic and I can test using the previous run. So let's look at the output now. Understand this. It should convert all the slides, including the hidden slides, and also have two slides in a handout. So let's see the output. So I'll go back into the destination folder and I see that there's a new file named as presentation all created. and I'll open it. So here, my friends, you see there are two slides per handout, and the hidden slide is also visible. So here you see that the PDF converter with Muhimbi is customizable. You can go ahead and choose active slides. You can specify the handouts. You can specify range of pages of what you want to convert. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for your time.